Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by verifying essentials, a stable connection and no conflicting apps. Once those are closed, restart your computer to clear transient errors. Next, run Roblox as administrator so permissions aren't blocking files. Make sure Windows and your graphics drivers are up to date to prevent compatibility issues. Also update the Roblox client itself via the Microsoft Store or Roblox installer. These initial steps remove the most common causes of error 292 and prepare you for deeper fixes. Once done with the basics, focus on corrupted files and blocked ports. Clear the Roblox cache and app data /local/Roblox and delete temporary game files. If problems persist, use add/remove programs to repair the Roblox installation or uninstall, then reinstall cleanly. This replaces damaged DLLs that trigger error 292. Make sure your antivirus or firewall isn't quarantining Roblox. Add explicit allow rules for the app and common Roblox. Finish by ruling out system-level corruption and user profile problems. Create a fresh Windows user and test Roblox there. If it works, migrate your data. Run System File Checker and DISM, SFC/Scano and DISM Restore Health, to fix underlying Windows file issues that can cause error 292. If the error remains after these steps, collect Roblox logs and crash reports, then contact Roblox support with those details. One key tip: test after each change so you know exactly what resolved it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.